Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Another draw, another Wednesday. Express entry just conducted a round of invitation and express entry draw, and that was PNP specific. Now, many people were thinking that maybe FSW draw will resume this week, and for those people, my message is that guys, wait till July end. You will see an FSW draw because things are shaping up like this, and FSW is bound to happen one day or another. And another thing is July 15th is the last date for updating your POF. Okay, so July 15 is obviously next week, and the week after the next will be Eid in the world. Okay, it will be Eid holiday, and maybe Canada will give you an ED in terms of conducting an FSW draw. Okay, so today's draw was draw number 195. Let me give you some details. It was a PNP specific draw. Again, I know two or three people always comment on PNP specific draws that which PNP might. This is a PNP specific program, a draw. That means if you have already received your nomination from any province, okay, and the 600 points have been updated in your express entry profile, then might you would be selected in this draw. Okay, and it is not a province specific, it is for all PNP applicants who have received their PNP nominations. Okay, number of invitation was 627, slightly lower than the last few draws. Okay, 627 people were invited, and tiebreaker was June 14th, which is like less than 3 weeks ago. So a tiebreaker is not really a serious matter for PNP draws. Okay, and CRS score of lowest rank candidate was 760, which is about the average of what is happening right now. But the most important thing right now is the CRS pool. Okay, so we can safely assume that about 2000 people are above 500 that are CEC class, because it is really hard for a FSW candidate to have 500 plus score. Okay, so roughly 2000 people are CEC candidates who are presumably going to get selected tomorrow. Okay, and oh yeah, also I would be making a video on updating your POF, and I have actually made the video, but I did not find the time to edit that video. And maybe after uploading this video, maybe I will upload that video as well about how you're going to update your POF in your Express Entry profile. Okay, so 491 500 people are 1300, 481 490 people are 3666, 471 above are 10,000 almost. So it is about like 17,000 people are above 471, and we can say that like 2,000 to 3,000 people will be CEC class, but 15,000 14,000 people are FSW candidates, and FSW candidates 15,000 candidates above 471. So you can do the maths. I mean, they are not going to conduct 27,000 people I draw, 27,000 ITAs draw again. Okay, so with normal things like 6,000 ITAs, presumably that is what going to happen for the FSW draw, or 6,500 ITAs that will be issued in FSW draw, which is, in my opinion, will be happening on like 21st of July or 22nd of July. Okay, so yeah, CRS is going to be above 480. That is my opinion, but I might make a video next week about the CRS prediction based on that week's news and their Twitter feeds and what's updated on their websites. So based on that, I would try to make a video about the CRS prediction in the next week. So this is a routine draw, not much going on in this draw, but again I would try to make the thumbnail a little bit clickable. Okay, because if I don't include keywords that make you click on it, you don't click on it, right? You don't watch every video, so you only watch the videos that have some clickable thumbnail or the title. So it is like a limitation that I have, and I have to do it. So I hope you guys don't mind it. Okay, this is Alif the Card, and I'm signing off.